Buick's latest move in China is turning heads, and for good reason. The facelifted 2025 Electra E5 has just been officially launched, and it's packing a suite of 47 user-driven upgrades, an overhauled powertrain, and refined styling that marks a new chapter for the brand's electric future in one of the most competitive EV markets in the world. Let's start with the looks. Buick's new Electra E5 gets a sleeker, sportier design that ditches the old faux grille in favor of a sharper, shark nose front fascia. The soft curves and a new bumper give it a more athletic presence, while hidden door handles, rain-sensing wipers, and matte silver trim complete the upscale feel. Around the back, the taillights have been reshaped to look more dynamic and fashionable. Buyers can opt for 18 or 19-inch wheels, with high-spec trims also offering rear privacy glass and a panoramic sunroof. Inside, it's all about subtle refinement. Buick claims the cabin now has more soft-touch materials, covering 64% of all contact surfaces. Rear passengers can now recline their seats by 27 degrees, adding comfort for long trips. These small tweaks go a long way in making the Electra E5 feel more premium and less like a traditional economy EV. But the real magic happens in the tech department. The E5 features a massive 30-inch curved display that supports Apple CarPlay and iOS 26. More impressively, Buick has rolled out SAIC GM's first AI-powered voice assistant. It can handle up to 10 voice commands in sequence, responding in milliseconds. It also integrates with other leading AI models like DeepSeek, Doubao, and Ernie, making the Electra E5 as smart as it is silent. Speaking of silence, this EV boasts double-layer acoustic glass and premium sound insulation that brings cabin noise down to just 22 dB. That puts it among the quietest EVs on the planet, ideal for city cruising or highway travel without the usual hum and buzz of electric drivetrains. In terms of features, the entry-level version comes with a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an 8-speaker audio system, and fabric/leather seats with 8-way power adjustment for the driver. Move up the trim ladder, and you'll find luxuries like heated leather seats and a 14-speaker Bose premium sound system, clearly aimed at tech-savvy, comfort-seeking urban drivers. Safety hasn't been left behind either. Standard driver assist features include adaptive cruise control, lane centering, forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane departure warning. It's the full package. Under the hood, or rather beneath the floor, are 3 battery options. The base version comes with a 65 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery, offering up to 320 miles of CLTC-rated range and 241 horsepower from a front-mounted motor. That setup gets the E5 to 62 miles per hour in just 7.7 seconds. The mid-tier variant upgrades to a 68.4 kilowatt-hour ternary lithium battery, bumping range to 339 miles and shaving a couple of tenths off the 0 to 62 time. But for long-haul drivers, the flagship version comes with a beefy 76.8 kilowatt-hour battery, delivering a range of 385 miles. It's a bit slower to 62 miles per hour at 7.8 seconds, but with all that range, it's a trade-off many are happy to accept. And charging? Thanks to cells co-developed with battery giant Catlin, the E5 now offers 30% faster charging speeds. A 20-minute pit stop can give you 217 miles, 350 kilometers of range, incredibly useful for those on the move. Pricing starts at an affordable yuan 149,900, around $20,850, and tops out at yuan 169,900, about $23,635. The only downside? For now, it's available only in black, white, or gray. With enhanced styling, more tech, longer range, and faster charging, the updated Buick Electra E5 proves that China's EV scene isn't just evolving, it's leading.